Yo, what's good, YouTube? So today, before we do anything to the car, we're gonna actually give it a quick bath real quick. You can't see it in the camera, but white cars get so dirty hella quick. So I know y'all about to call me hella stupid right now, but check these tires out, bruh. I've been driving since I got the car like this, and it rained for 2 days. Hella no threat. I definitely don't recommend anyone doing this. But good thing this car is pretty heavy, so it wasn't bad. And when it rained, I took the streets, so I did not go on the freeway. Alright, so I got the wheels in the car. I'm about to head over to O'Reilly's. I'm gonna get some cheap boot spacers because I think the wheels are gonna rub on that exhaust. Alright guys, so we just got the tires installed. It was hella quick, took like 10-20 minutes. So the tire I ended up going with in the back was the Goodyear Eagle F1 Supercar. And the size is 285/40/18. So before I bought these tires, I did my research on them. I heard good things and bad things. So I suggest anybody that buys a tire, reads the reviews, and know what they're getting into. So as you can see, they got real dirty when I took them to the shop. But I was gonna clean them anyway and add some tire shine, make it look extra clean.